Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. To our countdown of the top 5 best Honor phones in 2025. Honor has introduced cutting-edge smartphones with powerful cameras, high-speed performance, and stunning designs. Stay tuned till the end, as we reveal a game-changing feature that sets one of these models apart from the rest. Let's dive in. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Honor Magic 5 Pro, a smartphone that's turning heads with its mind-blowing specs. Is this the best flagship of the year? Let's find out. Stay tuned, because this one's going to surprise you. Camera with flash, stunning camera system. The Honor Magic 5 Pro packs a 50MP triple camera setup, delivering breathtaking photos in any lighting. Its AI-enhanced night mode captures incredible details even in the dark. Plus, the periscope zoom lets you snap distant objects with crystal-clear precision. Simply unbelievable. High-voltage blazing fast performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 12GB RAM, this phone flies through apps and games. Whether multitasking or gaming at max settings, lag is non-existent. It's a powerhouse designed for speed lovers. Battery, massive battery and supercharging. With a 5100 mAh battery, the Magic 5 Pro lasts all day effortlessly. Need a quick boost? The 66W fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. No more battery anxiety. Artist palette, stunning display and design. A 6.81-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling. The curved edges and premium glass back give it a sleek, luxurious feel. You'll love holding this beauty. Locked, next-level security. Face unlock and an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint scanner keep your data secure. Honor's advanced security features add peace of mind while maintaining speed and convenience. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 5 Pro is a true flagship beast. Stunning cameras, blazing performance, and premium design, it's got it all. If you're looking for the ultimate smartphone experience, this is it. Grab yours now. Rock it. Number 4. The Honor 90, a smartphone packed with surprises. From an incredible 200MP camera to a gorgeous display, this phone is redefining the mid-range segment. Is this the best value phone of the year? Let's find out. Camera with flash, insane 200MP camera. Yes, you heard that right. The Honor 90 features a mind-blowing 200MP main camera that captures jaw-dropping details. Whether it's low-light shots or ultra-clear zoom, this camera delivers pro-level results without breaking the bank. Who needs a DSLR anymore? High-voltage ultra-smooth performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and 12GB RAM, this phone handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps like a champ. With Honor's optimized Magic OS, everything runs buttery smooth. Say goodbye to lag forever. Battery, long-lasting battery and fast charging. With a 5000 mAh battery, you get a full day of heavy use. And when you need a boost, the 66W fast charging brings you back to 100% in just minutes. No more battery stress. Artist palette, stunning 120Hz OLED display. A 6.7-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors and ultra-smooth scrolling. Whether watching movies or gaming, the immersive experience will blow your mind. Locked, premium design and features. The sleek, lightweight design and curved edges make the Honor 90 look and feel premium. Plus, with an in-display fingerprint scanner and AI-powered face unlock, security has never been faster. Conclusion. The Honor 90 is a true game-changer. A 200MP camera, blazing fast performance, and a stunning display, all at an unbelievable price. If you want flagship-level features without the hefty price tag, this is the phone for you. Grab yours today. Rock it. Number 3. The Honor Magic 6 Pro, one of the most powerful and stylish smartphones of the year. With cutting-edge features and a jaw-dropping design, this phone is here to impress. Let's see what makes it truly magical. Camera with flash, revolutionary 200MP camera system. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features an astonishing 200MP main camera, capturing ultra-detailed shots like never before. With AI-enhanced photography and incredible zoom capabilities, every photo looks professional. Whether in daylight or low light, expect stunning clarity. High-voltage lightning-fast performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and up to 16GB RAM, this phone is a beast. Multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps run smoothly, delivering an ultra-responsive experience. Say goodbye to lags and hello to seamless performance. Battery, massive battery and super-fast charging. With a 5600 mAh battery, the Magic 6 Pro lasts all day with ease. Need a quick boost? The 100W super-fast charging powers up your device in minutes, keeping you always ready to go. Artist palette, stunning 120Hz curved OLED display. The 6.8-inch curved OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers stunning visuals and buttery smooth scrolling. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the vibrant colors and deep blacks make everything look breathtaking. Locked premium design and smart security. A sleek glass body, curved edges, and a futuristic design make this phone stand out. Plus, with an advanced in-display fingerprint sensor and AI-powered face unlock, your data stays secure while unlocking is lightning fast. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is a true masterpiece. A 200MP camera, flagship performance, and a premium design, it has everything you need in a high-end smartphone. If you want the best, this is it. Grab yours now. Rock it! Number 2. The Honor Magic 7 Pro, a smartphone that's packed with cutting-edge features. From a mind-blowing camera to lightning-fast performance, this device is built to impress. Is it the best flagship of the year? Let's find out. Camera with flash, insane 200MP AI camera. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a revolutionary 200MP main camera, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. With advanced AI enhancements, ultra night mode, and periscope zoom, your photos will look sharper and more professional than ever before. This is mobile photography redefined. High voltage, blazing fast performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and up to 16GB RAM, this phone handles anything with ease. Whether gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the Honor Magic 7 Pro delivers smooth, lag-free performance that feels futuristic. Battery, all-day battery and supercharging. With a massive 5800 mAh battery, this phone lasts all day on a single charge. And with 120W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Artist palette, stunning 6.9-inch OLED display. The Honor Magic 7 Pro's 6.9-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate offers an ultra-smooth experience. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and scrolling feels effortless. Watching content on this screen is a visual treat. Locked futuristic design and security. With its sleek, curved design and premium materials, this phone feels luxurious in hand. Plus, with an under-display fingerprint scanner and AI-powered face unlock, your data stays secure while unlocking is lightning fast. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is a true flagship powerhouse. Stunning cameras, unbeatable performance, and a premium design, it's the future in your hands. If you want the best smartphone experience, this is the one. Grab yours now. Rock it! Number 1. The Honor Magic 7 RSR, a smartphone inspired by Porsche design and packed with top-tier specs. From a futuristic camera to mind-blowing speed, this device is built for those who demand the best. Let's dive in. Camera with flash, 200MP ultra-clear camera. The Honor Magic 7 RSR features a 200MP main camera with cutting-edge AI enhancements. Whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or night shots, every image is packed with detail. With periscope zoom and 8K recording, this phone turns anyone into a pro photographer. High-voltage, unstoppable performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and 16GB RAM, this phone is built for extreme speed. From gaming to heavy multitasking, it delivers an ultra-smooth, lag-free experience. It's like having a supercar engine in a smartphone. Battery supercharged battery and 120W fast charging. With a 5800 mAh battery, you get all-day power. And with 120W superfast charging, you'll be back to full power in minutes. No more waiting, this phone keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. Artist palette stunning 144Hz OLED display. A breathtaking 6.9-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and streaming ultra-smooth. Vivid colors and deep blacks create a cinematic experience right in your hands. Rocket Porsche-inspired premium design. Designed in collaboration with Porsche, the sleek, aerodynamic body and luxurious materials make this phone a masterpiece. Plus, with an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, security is both stylish and smart. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 7 RSR is a true flagship beast. With a Porsche-inspired design, next-level performance, and a mind-blowing camera, this is the ultimate smartphone experience. If you want speed, style, and power, this is the phone for you. Rock it! I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.